Alright, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install rope holes, which are these things. It's pretty much a bracket that you put in between the sheet metal to put your ropes through. That way you don't have to stick your straps in between the bed sides. You're going to need this titanium steel step bits to cut holes, some tape measure, some tape. I use these Nippex. You're going to need a DeWalt drill with a 1564 drill bit for the holes here. 10mm socket you can use to hold these. You're going to need an Allen key. Can't remember what size it is. I want to say it's a 6 or 8mm. Some safety goggles, maybe some earplugs if you don't want to hear the saw. I also have a Dremel. You're gonna need this electric body saw. I got this at Harbor Freight. You can probably find it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. Right now I got it drawn out, and I'm trying to just line it up so it's in line with this. And I'll do the same thing for the back one. Those 3 holes done. Alright, now I'm gonna use this to kind of just cut the corner. Alright, we got both of them installed here on the right side. I think it looks pretty good. Holes can come down pretty evenly now with straps. Boom. Shebang. And then it's strapped onto my grom, whatever. Yeah, it should be nice. That's perfect. Makes it a whole lot easier strapping things down. What do you guys think? You guys think I should have not installed these? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Got these hard cargo Japan stickers. I'm probably gonna just put it right above there, just like that. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, that's the end of my video, guys. This is how it looks, the finished product. I put the stickers on. It's definitely going to help me mount my motorcycle on my truck easier. I also got these hard cargo paint protectors and these mud flaps if you want to watch it in the previous video on my JDM haul. But here's what it looks like. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff about this K-Truck. Thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day.